How to make money online in 3 minutes or less, part 5. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com. Welcome back to the how to make money online in 3 minutes or less. This is part 5, and in this video I'm going to show you a very cool website that can be used from around the world. Okay, before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment, or maybe you just want to say hi. I will definitely reply back. And don't forget to check out the first link in the description of this video. It will take you to artofmarketingelite.com. This is a website that I created for people just like you. I'm gonna take you by the hand and show you exactly how to make money online. So this is sort of my monthly coaching. You can check it out. And right now let's check out the website that I wanted to show you today. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's jump into it. And the website is swagbucks.com, swagbucks.com. This is a very cool website, and it will pay you in a number of different ways. So as you can see, you can join for free. All you have to do is enter your email, password, and confirm passport. You can also sign up with Facebook, and they've been featured on BuzzFeed, The Penny Hoarder, ABC, The Huffington Post. So as you can see, it says get free gift cards and cash for everyday things you do online. Here's how you're going to be earning points, and you're going to be getting free gift cards, including PayPal gift cards. Okay, so that will actually include some cash. So I wanted to show you this page right here. As you can see, they paid out $316 million already, so they are 100% legit. They are paying on time, and as you can see, one of the ways that you're going to get paid is via surveys. So they have all types of different surveys. As you can see, 20 minutes, 60 minutes, 10 minutes, 27 minutes, 20 minutes again, 15 minutes. So obviously, depending on how big the survey is, you're going to make 500 points, 300 points, 200 points, etc. Okay, so surveys is just one way to get paid with Swagbucks. So get paid to take online surveys. That's number one. You can also make money online by trying products and services. So a bunch of different companies will actually go to this website. They will give samples. They will give you a way to try their product, and you're gonna get paid for that as well. So as you can see, they have like limited time offers. They have like $5 starters, etc. etc. So this is the number two. You can get paid with Swagbucks. You can also make money online by watching videos and reviewing content. Like this is the one of the easiest way. Just watch videos, watch trailers, watch like different food videos, etc., and get paid for it. So as you can see, the videos right here: Piece of Cake, vegetarian recipes, the Burger Kings, Tony's Table, Go Vegan, etc. So you will make money online just for watching videos. This is crazy. You can also get cash back when you shop online. So you are probably shopping online anyways. Why not get some cash back while you do it? Okay, so as you can see, they have a bunch of different ways to do it, with Walmart, with Amazon, with Jet, with Hotels.com, with JCPenney, with Macy's, with Best Buy, with Target, with the Home Depot. So these are the online stores that you are already using. Okay, so why not get some cash back? Now they also have free money when you dine out. Super cool, right? As you can see, they have a bunch of different restaurants that will give you a discount, or they will actually give you money to eat in these restaurants. You can see they have the New York map right here, and that's it. So they have a little summary right here. As you can see, quick summary of the ways to make money online with Swagbucks. Get paid, share your opinion by completing online surveys, make money by trying new products, get rewarded for watching popular videos, use the Swagbucks shopping portal to get cashback when you shop online, and get the plus points when you dine out. So 5 different ways you can make money online with Swagbucks. As you can see, all these people left their testimonials, and they are all working from home. Obviously, you know, this is not like a full-time job. You won't be making thousands of dollars, but if you want to make a little bit of extra money for some stuff that you want to buy, this is perfect. And I also wanted to show you this page. As you can see, there are different ways that you're going to get paid with Swagbucks. So this person right here, she's getting paid with the Swagbucks codes. You can get an Amazon gift card. Obviously, you can get PayPal cash. So a bunch of different ways you can get paid as well. So this is my video for today. Swagbucks.com. Check it out, and again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll make sure to answer it. And also check out the first link in the description of this video. Go to artofmarketingelite.com and also check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording tons of videos, everything about making money online and working from home. So this was part 5, and many more parts are coming in the how to make money online in 3 minutes or less series, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.